My name is Pierre-Yves Le Trahan. I'm the Scientific Director of Mercator Ocean International, and I'm very pleased to give you today an overview of the role of BGC Argo for the Copernicus Marine Service and its application. First of all, a few words on the Copernicus program. Copernicus is the European Union Earth Monitoring Program managed by the European Commission. It's a major an outstanding undertaking to better monitor the planet for the benefit of society at large. Copernicus includes a space component with the development of operation of a series of satellite missions, the Sentinel mission, an in-situ component, and 6 services dealing with land, marine, atmosphere, climate change, emergency, and security. Mercator Ocean International is in charge of the implementation of the Copernicus Marine Service. The driver of the Copernicus Marine Service. So the ocean is a major source of food, energy, and is an important contributor to the global economy, but it faces strong pressure due to climate change and other human activities. The Copernicus Marine Service is an European Union answer to the increasing needs of ocean monitoring and prediction capabilities to understand and predict the weather and climate evolution, to develop sound mitigation and adaptation to climate change, for a sustainable management of the ocean and its resources, for the development of sustainable marine economy, and to better protect marine ecosystem and biodiversity. The Copernicus Marine Service provides free, open, and regular reference information, observation and model on the blue, green, white ocean for the global ocean and the European regional seas. This capacity includes the description of the current situation analysis, the prediction of the situation 10 days ahead forecast, and the provision of consistent retrospective data record, that is reprocessing of in-situ and satellite observation and ocean reanalysis. The Copernicus Marine Service publishes an annual ocean state report and produces ocean monitoring indicators for policy and decision makers as well as for the general public. These ocean state reports and ocean monitoring indicators rely on the unique capabilities and expertise that the Copernicus Marine Service gathers in Europe to monitor, assess, and report on past and present marine environmental conditions and to analyze and interpret changes in trends in the marine environment. They offer a unique ocean monitoring dashboard for policymakers. General information on the Copernicus Marine Service, access to the products and report, advanced visualization capabilities, and a series of use cases as available on the Copernicus Marine Service website. A cloud-based infrastructure and a central information system allow users to search, view, download about 200 products from the catalog and interact with the MAN service desk when needed. All products are documented together with detailed information on quality. Copernicus Marine is a user-driven and policy-driven service. The Copernicus Marine Service responds to public and private user needs and policies related to all marine and maritime sectors on the 3 pillars of sustainable development: environment, society, and economy. User interaction and user engagement are essential activities, and users are explicitly and transparently involved in the service definition. The Copernicus Marine Service now serves a wide range of applications and users, so we have no more than 30,000 subscribers to the service. We are supporting a large range of European policies, such as the Marine Strategy Framework Directive, Common Fisheries Policy, Maritime Spatial Planning. You can find on the website a series of use cases, more than 200 use cases for the different application areas. The number of users and number of downloads have been steadily increasing over the past couple of years, which is a very positive sign of the vitality of the service. The Copernicus Marine Service is highly dependent on the satellite and in-situ observing capabilities. The role of the Copernicus Marine Service with respect to agency in charge of observing system is to provide requirements, assess the impact of existing observing system, and contribute to the design of future systems, for example, through observing system simulation experiment. Its role is also to advocate for a sustained ocean observing system that is essential to the services the Copernicus Marine Service provides. Here is one example with Argo, the core Argo array, temperature and salinity, on its role for the Copernicus Marine Service. All Copernicus Marine Service model relies strongly on Argo observation. There are very strong complementarity with satellite altimetry, and the impact of Argo is fully demonstrated through observing system evaluation. We know, for instance, that today that the temperature and salinity forecasts in our model are reduced by 20 to 60% when Argo data are assimilated. And this impact is extremely important also to convince agencies to invest in Argo, and this has been key, this element have been key to help to sustain, improve European contribution to Argo. Moving now to the description of the Copernicus Marine Service Green Ocean offer. So what we have today in the Copernicus Marine Service is first in situ observation from the Copernicus Marine Service in situ thematic assembly center. This includes BGC Argo, both in real time and delay mode, and together with quality control. Satellite high-level products, so level 3 to level 4, at global and regional scale from the Copernicus Marine Service Ocean Color Thematic Assembly Center. High-level ocean products that are derived from a specific center, which we call multi-observation thematic assembly center, that are using data-driven, such as on neural networks methods, to combine observation on developed products. So in particular, nutrient profile derived from BGC Argo, temperature and salinity oxygen profiles, global three-dimensional particular organic carbon and chlorophyll A from satellite product, and global surface PCO2, RC fluxes, and pH monthly mean field. And of course, global and regional monitoring and forecasting center. Looking at the detail of models, so what we have in the Copernicus Marine Service, so those are BGC model coupled to physical models at global and regional scales. The resolution runs from 1/4 to 1/36 degree resolution. They all assimilate satellite ocean color. They are all starting to use BGC Argo and provide in-cast reanalysis for the last 20, 30 years, real-time and short-term forecast. And they provide key essential parameters such as oxygen, plankton, primary production, nutrient, and carbon, pH, RC fluxes of CO2. Models serves already many users. We now have more than 1,000 different users of the model products of the Copernicus Marine Service for a wide range of applications ranging from environment policy, so Marine Strategic Directive, Green Deal, climate and carbon, ocean health, eutrophication and acidification, protection of endangered marine species, fisheries, and aquaculture management. The data from the BGC Argo are already widely used by the Copernicus Marine Service. This is first today the main source of global in situ observation from oxygen, nitrate, and chlorophyll. They are used to validate satellite chlorophyll A products. They are used to derive high-level ocean product that I mentioned previously. And as far as the global and regional monitoring and forecasting center, data are used for validation. You will have example in the session later on, model improvement, on data assimilation, and this will be detailed in the next talks. The full development of BGC Argo will really be a game changer to monitor and forecast at the global scale the 3D green ocean. We are still highly limited by the scarcity of in situ observation to validate unconstrained models. The integration of BGC Argo observation with satellite ocean color in model will lead to outstanding advances in biogeochemistry research and operational application, akin to what has been achieved for physics with Argo and satellite altimetry data. Monitoring and forecasting marine biogeochemistry to answer societal needs related to ocean health, ocean carbon uptake, marine resources, and marine biodiversity protection is a grand scientific challenge for the next decade. Our capabilities today are limited by the scarcity of in situ observation to complement satellite data. BGC Argo will provide an unprecedented source of information for improving BGC models and constraining them through data assimilation. The Copernicus Marine Service is already making extensive use of BGC Argo data for its observation on model product. BGC Argo data are already a critical source of data for our green ocean service offer. Given the importance of BGC Argo for the Copernicus Marine Service and its application, the Copernicus Marine Service is working closely with the EuroArgo ERIC that federates all European contributions to Argo to develop a long-term European contribution to the global BGC Argo. Thank you.